Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today we are opening up and trying out the Powered to Wise lavalier microphone. So as you guys know, I have started my channel with basically no equipment, actually no equipment. And I've been working on improving that and just getting some better equipment. One of the comments that I have received a few of is that on some videos you guys have trouble hearing me, which I totally understand if I'm outside and there's wind shear, but when I'm inside, the camera is usually about the same distance from my face, so I don't quite know what's going on with that. So I'm hoping this helps with that. I'm also hoping that the little foam thing cuts out the background noise, because I know there's a lot of background noise in my videos. When I'm outside, the wind is just killer on a microphone. So I'm hoping to kind of mitigate that and get rid of it. This had really awesome reviews on Amazon, that's why I got it. And also the customer service has been great so far. They even sent me a follow-up email after I got it with a giant attachment on how to use it, troubleshooting. I didn't really read it, I'm gonna be honest. If I can't get it to work, then I will go back and read it, but I thought it was really nice of the company to do that. On the back, it says basically just plug it in, start recording, unplug it to listen. Usually all you need to do in all caps. And then they have any issue, we answer ASAP. So I don't know, so far they seem like a super legit company, really helpful. So like I said, I will link them near my socials down below if you want to check out this microphone or check out their store, because product notwithstanding, so far they've been great. So looking at this product, it did say it was compatible with my iPhone and a few other iPhones, and then it also said that for my particular iPhone I'm going to need the little lightning adapter, which I have right here. Come on, there we go. And I appreciate them letting me know that. I'm not super techie, so when something says it is compatible, I'm gonna assume it means both software and hardware, and it didn't. And I really appreciate them specifically saying no, software compatible, get yourself one of these. So I'm going to be opening this up, seeing what's in there, plugging it into my phone, and hopefully this is going to eradicate the sound issues that I have been having and just make my videos and content better for you guys. That's the goal. But I really do appreciate all of the comments you guys have been leaving me. Even if I can't immediately respond and change things right away, it is really helpful for me to understand what the problems are, because sometimes when I'm reviewing them on my end, the sound sounds fine, and I don't know it's an issue unless you guys tell me. So thank you so much, and we will get unboxing and see how this works. Okay, so we're just going to open it up, and we have a little baggie and some cards, and that is it. Oh, a warranty card. That's nice. Comes with a warranty. A screen and lens cleaner. A stick-on screen and lens cleaner. Conveniently with their logo. That's so nice of them. And then what looks like a little to-do manual, instructions. So it comes with a 6.5-foot cord, rotating clip, wind muff ×3, storage pouch, ooh, extension cable, 79 inches. I did not realize that, awesome. And then a PC laptop camera adapter. Okay, good to know. So that's everything that's going to be in the pack. Here is another little band saying that if you have problems, reach out and they will help. So far, customer service and even just reminding you that they're there to help, kind of impressive. I like that. So this is a nice little neoprene pouch. It's got their logo on the front, which is kind of cute. It's like a little owl listening to, headphones. It's adorable. Just gonna open that up and see what we got in here. Okay, we'll do first things first. So this is the extender cable. This is the actual microphone. This I'm interested in. So this should be about 6.5 feet. It's just got a normal headphone jack on the end of it, and then a little clippy. I don't know how I feel about this. We'll see. I guess if I wear dark colors, you can't really tell, but I don't know if I want, maybe I can tuck it inside my clothes. I'm wearing black, so it's hard to tell, but if I put it on the blue, I don't know, is that distracting? I feel like that might be distracting. Maybe I'll just have to wear dark colors when I film. Oh no, the clip snagged my sweater. Okay. So far, so good, though. Let's see what else we have. Okay, this must be the other two squishy things and the PC adapter. It is. Okay, so squishy thing 1. This is what I'm really hoping gets rid of the ambient background noise. I'm excited for that. And then the laptop adapter, which actually isn't going to work for my phone. That's why I have this. So yeah, basically I'm going to plug this in, like it says, start up my video app, which I record on, and see if it records. And if it does, awesome. And if it doesn't, and it can only record from like audio clips, I don't even know how to do that on my phone. So I'll be really sad. But this is just a baseline of where my voice is at. I'm not going to change where I'm sitting. I'm not going to change where the camera's sitting. I'm gonna put the microphone on right here. The ambient noise, the air is kicked on. There's laundry going in the background. Hopefully you guys can't hear that right now, but we will see. And hopefully this will get rid of all of that and it will just be a super awesome clear sound. And hopefully it will work. But we're going to plug it in and find out. Okay, here we go. I just put everything on the table except what I need. Here is another reminder that says plug tightly until click. And then on the back, issue with the mic, we answer ASAP. So this is probably the third one of these on the package that I've seen reminding me that if I have a problem, reach out and call them. So that's kind of cool. So we're just gonna do this. Definitely heard a click. I'm gonna set up my microphone, put it right here. I feel like that is a good distance. I think at first I'm just gonna plug it in and see what it does while the camera's rolling. I doubt very much that will work. Like I think I probably have to turn the camera off, but we're gonna try. So here we go. Any differently at all? I have no idea, and I won't be able to tell until I turn the recording off, but I don't know. All right, I'm gonna turn it off, unplug it, plug it back in, and then we will see, and then we will review at the end. Okay, so that probably doesn't look like anything on the camera, but turned it off, turned it back on, and hopefully we have much better sound now. Like I said, I haven't pulled it off to review it yet. However, the washer is going into its spin cycle and I can really hear it. So I'm really hoping you guys can't. But yeah, I'm gonna unplug it and listen to it and I guess tell you my thoughts. Okay, so I just reviewed the footage. The microphone is still plugged in. You can definitely tell a difference in the audio. I'll be honest, I don't know if it's better. It's got this like weird tinny quality to it, or maybe that's just me. You know how they say you don't like your voice on recording? I feel like generally speaking, I don't have an issue with my voice being recorded. I've reviewed enough of my footage, and I mean, I spend hours editing it. I definitely know what my voice on my camera sounds like, but on this microphone it sounds different, and I'm not sure I like how it sounds. So there's that. But I did notice the ambient noise goes away in the background. When I plugged it in, you guys definitely could just hear the connection. What was interesting was tapping it, you could hear the taps, but like out here there's no tapping sound, but in the camera there is. So that was interesting. Might just be something I need to get used to. I did like that, you know, as soon as I was like, oh, the washer's really loud, I couldn't hear it. But it was also still going while I was reviewing the tape, so maybe you can, I'm not sure. But yeah, so far I actually really like this. I like the extension cord. I didn't realize I was gonna get that. I'm pretty close to my camera, but in case I'm not, that would be really helpful. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm gonna film my next couple videos with this, and yeah, please let me know if this is better or worse than what you guys were putting up with. So I do really appreciate your feedback and your comments. It really does help me create a better channel and content for you guys. So thanks so much for watching. Like I said, this is the PowerDWise microphone. I will link it below. So far, super impressed with them as customer service goes. And you know, the microphone, I really did. I just plugged it in, turned it on, it worked, unplugged it to review, everything they said it would do. I'm just not sure I like my voice on it, but that is not a mark against them. No issue setting it up, no issue or complaints as far as how it works. So yeah, I'd say this is definitely a pretty quality product. And thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you here again soon. Bye for now.